In this video, I'll show you how you can create a very simple direct response website for your business. The first step is to create a folder where you wish all the files to be located or to be stored. So I just create on my desktop, and you can name it whatever you want. Okay, next, if you already have your images ready, then put it in the folder too. Like this is the images. For me, I will include all these images on my website. So I just drag it to the folder. Okay, so this is the place. This is the folder where all the website files will be located. Okay, I'll use Microsoft front page for this tutorial. Okay, now let's start by doing the direct response website. Basically, direct response website is a very simple one. It's not so complex because what it consists of is normally the sales letter to get the order. Okay, so it's normally asking you to buy a product, only one product normally, but sometimes two by upselling. But normally the page sells one product and it only has a sales letter. Okay, so that's called direct response website. So it's very straightforward. You can create a table or not, but for this case I'll create a table, okay, because I do have a background image. So first of all, I will determine what's the background image that I want. You can use any background color which you want, can be red, blue or whatever, but I have my own background image. So I'll insert the image, go to a background here, and then background picture, because we are going to put a picture which is a image, background image. Browse and go to the back, open and press OK. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, now I'll create a table. That's okay. Right click to make it white. This is the border, and if you want, this is the border. I want it to be black. Okay, the background, go to white, apply. Okay, so now the background is white, and if I press enter here, hold on, just type few words. And I bring this up first. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, let's include the header. Okay, as you can see, the header is too big, so we can actually adjust it. Picture properties. Let's do it this way. Okay, as you can see, it is not that properly done because the image, the header is actually being created for that size, which is quite huge and big. That is why you cannot see the image properly. Okay, so just show you how you can do this easily. Okay, next should be your headline. bold it, change the color, and if you want to change the font, just go here, okay, and you can change the font. Okay, okay, let's say all this is your sales letter. Now you want people to buy your product, so you can include an order link. Okay, it can be an image or just a normal order link like this. Okay, and you put your order link here. I bold it, make it bigger. Okay, if we want to include the image file, just go to insert, picture, I think it's button, yes, move it to the center. Okay, this image is actually for an easing, okay, so it's not an order link, but this is just for the sake of an example to show you for this tutorial. So this is how you do it. So if it's an image, then just click once and go to this hyperlink and you type the order link. Okay, let's test by going to preview. This is how it will look on your website. So when you click here, you will go to the web page, which actually doesn't exist. Go back normal, preview, and let's test. This is where they will your buyer will click when they want to buy your product. Okay, so if you want to include your signature, if you have, once you have finished the sales letter, and okay, so this is the signature. Okay, once everything is done, in order for you to save, go to file, save as, and put it as index. Okay, and go to the folder that we created just now, which is at the desktop website. So put it here, okay, and save it. Okay, that's all you need to do in order for you to create a very simple direct response website. So this tutorial doesn't cover on how you can write your sales letter or how to write sales letter effectively, you know, all that kind of stuff, but it's just an overview, a very simple overview on how you can actually make a very simple website, and yet you can make money out of it. Okay, you can actually conduct a business out of it, because direct response website is actually quite straightforward and easy. It's not like a portal website like Yahoo. Okay, yahoo.com, all these are portal websites where it actually leads to other web pages, and this kind of web page normally has to be done by a professional web designer. Okay, so I won't cover this in this tutorial, since this is about marketing, internet marketing. What I wish to let you know is that you can actually make money or conduct business just by doing such a simple website. Okay, I show you an example of the direct response website, which is very simple, and yet it can actually spit out money every day, 24/7. Okay, it's quite slow. I go to another website. Okay, this is a very good example of a direct response website. Okay, this is a pop-up. You can see, if you want to learn how to create this pop-up, you can check out the other video tutorial. Close this. Okay, as you can see, this is a very simple website. In fact, it doesn't even have a header. You see, it's just a normal normal page with just a normal background color there, without any image, and a normal table, just one table, and all the way they are all sales letter with some images. Okay, so this is how you can create a very simple direct response website. This is his signature. These are all the links. If you want to create a link, just highlight, go to this icon and type the address here. Okay, this is just an example. If you have 2 pages, let's say, you can see here, when you click here, actually go to another page. Okay, if you have 2 pages, what you need to do is you have to create the page first. Okay, I'll save this first. Okay, let's create a new page. Quite similar page if you don't order page. Okay, and let's save it. Save as page 2 on this folder. Save. Okay, go to the first page index. So in order to make the same type of link here, so you just, let's say this is the link. Highlight or bold it, highlight everything and click here, hyperlink. But this time you don't type the address here, you go to the page and page 2, click here and press OK. Okay, so once these pages have been uploaded to your website, it will look exactly like this. Okay, this is how you link to another page on your server. And don't forget to write your info, your business info, your email if you want to, and also the disclaimer, privacy policy, website terms of use. These are all the legal aspects of business. It won't be touched on this tutorial, so this is just a gentle reminder. Okay, so that's how you can create a very simple direct response website. Remember that it doesn't mean that if your website is very beautiful and very designed really well by a great designer or whatsoever, that actually doesn't mean that your business will fly off. Okay, it actually, in business, normally what really counts is your sales copy or your sales letter. So it's quite necessary for you to learn the art of sales, of writing effective sales letter, or you can even hire a copywriter to write for you. So normally that's how direct response website works. Okay, that's how it will work well. So I think that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in other video series. Goodbye.